today I am going to discuss about part 25 NEET MCQ. Okay, so myself, I am Dr. Shiban, MBBS DCH, specialized from Madras Medical College. Okay, so my first question itself is a repeat NEET MCQ. Can you tell me, there are so many alkalides, can you tell me one alkalide which you know? Very important MCQ. They will ask which of the following is an alkalide. Nicotine is an alkalide. They will give 4 choice. Nicotine is an alkalide. This is also repeat MCQ. Withdrawal symptoms. WITH withdrawal symptoms are typical for 2 things. One is alcohol. Sudden withdrawal will cause so many complications, and sudden withdrawal of drugs, heroin, cocaine. So withdrawal symptoms are typically for drugs and alcohol. It's important. Match the following question. What is coke, or the other name of coke? COKE. Coke. Coke means, match the following. Coke means cocaine. COCAINE. Coke means cocaine. Cocaine is also called, one is coke. Cocaine is also called coke. Another name, crack. 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 See, all the MCQs I have taken from your NCERT textbook, 12th standard. All are repeat MCQs, which I am discussing right now. So name 2 alkalides. First alkalide I told you, nicotine. One more alkalide. One more alkalide. There are so many alkalides. We are discussing only about NEET. One is nicotine. Another one, cocaine. Very important MCQ. Name 2 alkalides. POLLEN. Pollen causes what? So all the MCQs which I am discussing are repeat MCQs only. Pollen causes, I will make it fast. Pollen causes allergy. Match the following. ALLERGY. Pollen causes allergy. MITE. Mite causes allergy. ALLERGY. These are match the following MCQs. Antigen. ANTIGEN. Antigen causes allergy. ALLERGY. Okay. Antibody for allergy is IgA. True or false? Antibody for allergy is IgA. True or false? True or false? IgE is the antibody for allergy. IgE is the antibody for allergy. IgE is the antibody for allergy. Can you name the antibody in colostrum? Breast milk. First 6 days milk is called colostrum. Antibody in colostrum is IgA. So 2 important MCQs. IgE is for allergy. IgA is for colostrum. Both are repeat MCQs. Antihistaminics. Match the following. Antihistaminics. HISTAMINICS. Antihistaminics is used for the treatment of which disease? Antihistamic is used for the treatment of which disease? MCQ. Antihistaminics are used to treatment allergy. allergy. Adrenaline, Adrenaline, used to treat which disease? All MCQs, everything is repeat MCQ. Adrenaline, which disease? Allergy. So two things for allergy I told, treatment. One, antihistaminics, that is MCQ. Adrenaline, that is also an MCQ for allergy. Okay, good. Steroids are used to treat which disease? Steroid. STEROID. Steroid is a medicine. Okay. Steroid is a medicine. Adrenaline is a medicine. Antihistamine, that is also a group of medicines. These three. So, okay, steroid is used to treatment of allergy. So allergy 3 MCQs. Antihistamine drugs, steroid is a drug, and adrenaline. They'll keep these 3 and they'll ask one more question. They'll keep some other thing. They'll keep an antibiotic name and make you confused. So allergy, don't forget. See, they have scientifically proved that if you want to, see, this is only short-term memory. If you want to keep it in the long-term memory inside your brain for a long time, you should hear this video for 7 days continuously. 7 days continuous recall technique. This is how top scorers, 720 out of 720, they do 7 days continuous recall. They study a topic for 7 continuous days. It's a proven method. You hear this video for continuous 7 days, you will answer everything for a long period. See, just now I discussed, allergy is due to IgA antibodies. True or false? IgA. IgA is present in breast milk, colostrum. So it is a, so allergy, IgE. So allergy, it is IgE. IgE antibodies, allergy. Colostrum, IgA. See, this is a confusing MCQ. Antibodies produce allergy. True or false? This is how you should prepare NEET. Antibodies produce allergy. True or false? No. It is always the antigen. Antigen produces allergy. Antigen produces allergy. Antibody is a protective substance produced from our body against antigen. So antigen produces allergy, not antibody. Name 2 chemicals which is released in allergy. So many times they have asked this MCQ. Name 2 chemicals released in allergy. ALLERGY, allergy. Histamine, serotonin. HISTAMINE and serotonin. SEROTININ. See, even if you do 100 revisions, you cannot remember anything. That is, I am telling my students, you read the textbook once or twice. After that, don't do revision at all. Revision is a useless technique. You must practice recall. What I am discussing right now is called a recall technique. Right? Name 2 chemicals. Name 2 chemicals released in allergy. See, now you are thinking. Recall. Don't do revision, okay? It's a wrong idea. Do recall like this. Allergy. Tell me the 2 answers. Histamine, serotonin. Histamine, serotonin. This is the classic NEET preparation. Histamine, serotonin. This is also MCQ only. Histamine and serotonin are secreted from which cell? Histamine and serotonin secreted from which cell? Come on. Mast cell, MAST. So they can indirectly ask which cell is mainly involved in allergy? That time also you must answer mast cell. If they ask histamine is secreted from, you must answer mast cell. If they ask serotonin is secreted from, you must answer mast cell. Mast cell, 3 questions. Asthma is due to what? Asthma. See, to answer single answer, it is very easy. When they give you 4 answers in MCQ, you will be confused. So, you must study like this only. Asthma. What is asthma? Okay. Asthma is due to allergy. That's all. Asthma is due to allergy. This is how you should prepare NEET. Asthma, allergy. Asthma is a disease of which lung? Which organ? Asthma. Difficulty in breathing. Asthma. So it is a disease of lungs. Asthma is a disease of lungs. The exaggerated immune response of certain antigens is called. I think you can answer this now. If you see the word antigen, you know the question. The exaggerated immune response of certain antigens is called allergy. Don't memorize this allergy. Memorize the definition. Memorize this one. Question. In NEET preparation, you have to memorize the question, not the answer. Allergy. See, rheumatoid arthritis is due to allergy. Classical MCQ, man. Rheumatoid is a separate MCQ. Rheumatoid arthritis is due to allergy. True or false? Which of the following statement is true? This will be the type of questions. Rheumatoid arthritis is due to autoimmune. Very, very important MCQ. Repeat MCQ. Autoimmune rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune rheumatoid arthritis. Autoimmune rheumatoid arthritis. Can you name a question for this? South America. South America. Any idea? This is where cocaine was first used. Cocaine. Cocaine is from South America. They can ask. In match the following. So, South America. South America. Basic place of cocaine. Basic place of cocaine. Don't forget. Name 3 hallucinogens. HALLU. Hallucinogens. CINOGENS. Or they can give 3 choices and they can, which is a hallucinogen? They can ask. 3 hallucinogens. Cocaine, datura, atropa, belladonna. They'll keep one more wrong choice and they'll ask which is not a hallucinogen. Which will be the rank deciding question for you. Hallucinogen. 3 hallucinogen. Cocaine, datura, atropa, belladonna. Don't forget the question. Hallucinogen. Hallucinogen. What is smack? Smack is cocaine. True or false? See, now you are thinking. Smack is cocaine. True or false? Smack is cocaine. Smack means heroin. SMACK. Smack means Heroine. Poppy. Poppy. Poppy is a dog. True or false? MCQ only. Poppy. Poppy is a dog. Poppy is a plant. Poppy is a plant. Heroin, Heroin, is an antidepressant. True or false? Heroin is an antidepressant. True or false? Heroin is an antidepressant. True or false? Heroin is a depressant. They will ask, which of the following is a depressant? You must answer heroin. That time, don't forget Sheban. Okay. Which of the following is called biological phase inhibitor modifier? Biological response modifier. They have asked this question last year. Which of the following is called biological response modifier? Biological response modifier. Any idea? It is always alpha interferon. Alpha is a keyword. They'll ask alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Be very careful. Alpha interferon. Don't forget the question. Biological response modifier. Heroin. Heroin. Heroin is obtained from plant. True or false? This is NEET preparation, man. This I should prepare for NEET. Heroin is obtained from plant. True or false? Heroin is obtained. True or false? True. 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 This is also a match the following. Diacetyl morphine means what? Diacetyl morphine means what? They will give 4 choices. Heroin, cocaine, cannabis, smack. Tell the answer. Diacetyl morphine means heroin. Heroine. Don't forget the question. Diacetyl morphine. Diacetyl morphine is called heroin. Heroin means smack. True or false? Means coke. True or false? Heroin. Heroin means coke. True or false? Heroin means coke. True or false? Heroin means smack. Smack is called heroin. Smack heroin. Smack heroin. Smack heroin. See, this is only short-term memory. Tomorrow afternoon you will forget everything. But people who are taking 720 out of 720 will hear this video for 7 continuous days. I will guarantee you, you hear this video for 7 continuous days, spend 1 hour, 8th day, everything will go inside your stomach. That is the power of this recall technique, which is a proven technique. Which of the following is bitter and crystalline? They'll give this choice. Which of the following is bitter and crystalline? Crack, cocaine, coke, smack. 4 choice. What is the answer? Don't forget the question. Bitter and crystalline is heroin. Heroin means smack. Bitter and crystalline. What is the color of heroin? When you think of heroin, always think of our ordinary sugar. Okay, so heroin is white in color. Heroin, always think of sugar, white sugar. So you'll remember it for a long time. Heroin causes pungent odor, true or false? Heroin causes pungent odor, true or false? Or they can ask, which of the following has a pungent odor? Pungent odor. Heroin is odorless, no smell. Heroin is odorless, no smell. Poppy plant, remember poppy plant, yes. Poppy plant gives cocaine, true or false? Poppy plant gives cocaine, true or false? Poppy is a plant, that is a separate MCQ. Poppy gives cocaine, it's a depth, true or false? Come on. Poppy plant gives only heroin. So heroin is manufactured from poppy heroin. Poppy heroin. Good. Dash of morphine gives heroin. Dash reaction. Okay, dash reaction of morphine gives heroin. That is separate MCQ. Morphine and heroin are same entities. Keep it in mind, MCQ. Diacetyl morphine is related to heroin. That is this MCQ. What is the answer? So it has to be an acetylation reaction. See how easy I am teaching you. Acetylation. So they will ask, morphine is related to heroin, cocaine, smack, hashish. That time we should say, oh, morphine is related to heroin. Because other name of heroin is diacetyl morphine. Okay, right, okay. So it has to be an acetylation reaction. Okay. This they asked. Immunotherapy. IMMUNO. So don't forget 7 days continuous recall technique, proven technique. Immunotherapy is used in the treatment of immunotherapy. Any idea? Immunotherapy. Treatment of cancer. Immunotherapy is used in the treatment of cancer. Radiation therapy. RADATION. Radiation therapy is used in the treatment of radiation therapy. Is in the treatment of cancer treatment. So cancer to treat, there are so many treatments. First is surgery treatment they can do for cancer, surgery. Second is radiotherapy, cancer treatment. Third one, chemotherapy, CHEMO, chemotherapy, cancer treatment. Immunotherapy, cancer treatment. All the four are separate MCQs. If you want, I'll repeat. Radiotherapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy. All the three, don't forget, cancer treatment. One more thing I told now, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, immunotherapy. All the three things and surgery also that you know, cancer treatment. Three things are MCQs. See again they are repeat MCQ. Poppy plant has cocaine, true or false? Poppy. I told now, poppy, come on, true or false? Now you will answer. You have to answer after 30 days. It is not possible. 7 days continuous recall if you do, you can answer for minimum 2 years. Minimum 2 years you can answer the question. Poppy plant is for heroin. Poppy heroin. Poppy heroin. Okay, poppy heroin. Heroin causes lung cancer. Heroin causes lung cancer. True or false? If your answer is no, what is the question? Tobacco causes lung cancer. Tobacco. Tobacco causes lung cancer is a separate MCQ. Tobacco. Cancer producing substance is called what? Cancer producing substance. Cancer producing substance is called carcinogen. C-A-R-C-I. Carcinogen. N-O-G-E-N. Don't forget the question. Cancer producing substance is called carcinogen. Cancer cell is also called a cancer cell is also called, any idea? Cancer cell is also called neoplastic cell. N-E-O, neo, plastic, P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Neoplastic cell. Neoplastic cell. Virus causing cancer is called what? Virus causing cancer is called oncogenic virus. Oncogenic is also cancer only. O-N-C-O. Oncogenic. G-E-N-I-C. Oncogenic virus. Virus causing cancer is called oncogenic virus. Spread of cancer cell. For example, lung cancer, if it spreads to the brain, lung cancer, it spreads to the stomach. It is called what? Spread of cancer is called. This is NEET preparation. Spread of cancer is called metastasis. M-E-T-A. Stasis. Metastasis. T-U-M-O-R. Tumor means it is almost like cancer, but not always cancer. Tumor, because tumor there are two types. One is benign. B-E-N-I-G-N. It's given in a textbook. Very important MCQ. Tumor means not always cancer. It's a separate MCQ point. Tumor means benign and malignant. Malignant, M-A-L-I-G-N-A-N-T. Malignant is always a cancer. Malignant is always a cancer. I'll repeat. Tumor two types. Benign, malignant. Benign is harmless. Malignant is always, malignant tumor is always a cancer. Made it very clear. See, next question for you only. Tumor can be benign. True or false? If you understand this, you can answer. No mugging. Tumors can be benign. The answer is yes. So tumors can be benign. The answer is yes. Can you expand ELISA? E-L-I-S-A. Repeated MCQs, man. Repeated. ELISA. ELISA. Any idea? Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Can you explain HIV? HIV. Human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus. HIV. Human immunodeficiency virus. HIV causes what disease? Again, NEET MCQ. HIV causes what disease? AIDS. AIDS. HIV causes AIDS. AIDS. See how tricky question I have kept for you. AIDS. AIDS is caused by bacteria. True or false? And it is so simple. We complicate because we don't know how to study. We keep on doing revisions. Revision is useless. Okay, come on. AIDS is caused by bacteria. This is recall. This is called recall technique. AIDS causes bacteria. True or false? AIDS is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. So AIDS is caused by a virus. What is malt? M-A-L-T. Malt. M-A-L-T. Malt. Any idea? Malt. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Bean shaped. This MCQ I am expecting next year for you. Bean shaped. Bean shaped organ. Which one? Spleen. S-P-L-E-E-N. Spleen. Spleen is found in the left side of the body. Left side in the abdomen. Left. Okay. Spleen is in the left side. Okay. They can ask spleen. Bean shaped. There are so many lymphoid organs in the body. L-Y-M-P-H-O-I-D. There are so many lymphoid organs in the body. Which is the main lymphoid organ? That is our question. Main lymphoid organ. Main lymphoid organ is bone marrow. Bone marrow. Okay. Bone marrow. Thymus is so bigger in size at puberty. True or false? Thymus is so big. Where is thymus present is MCQ, you know? Thymus is present in the thorax. Thymus is present in the thorax. That is MCQ. So thymus is so big at puberty. Any idea? See the specific character for this thymus is so big at birth. It is very big at birth, and at puberty it shrinks. See, my finger will be so small at birth. By puberty it is so big, right? But the only exception is thymus. Thymus is so big at birth. As the age goes to puberty, it shrinks. Thymus is an exceptional organ. Keep it in mind, okay? Primary lymphoid organs. Main lymphoid organ, bone marrow. We studied. Main lymphoid organ is bone marrow. Fixed MCQ. Okay. Primary lymphoid organs, there are only two. So if you know these two, you can answer anything as secondary. Secondary lymphoid organ you can answer. So memorize this primary lymphoid organ. Only two things. One is bone marrow and another is thymus. Or they can ask, thymus is a primary lymphoid organ. True or false? That is no confusion. Just tick. There are two primary organs. There are two primary lymphoid organs. Bone marrow and thymus. Okay. When you remember this question, don't forget Sheban also. Okay. Primary lymphoid organs. Bone marrow and thymus. Keep it in mind. Okay. But don't forget this 7 days continuous recall technique. Okay. And write some good comments in the comment section. Okay. And share this video with your junior friends, senior friends, and especially to your biology madam, and especially to your NEET coach. Share this, okay? Okay. And after hearing this video, I have given my part 26 in the same YouTube channel. Hear that video also. Which one parasite? There are so many things. Need two hosts to grow. Two. They need two hosts to grow. So many things are there. One common thing I have kept. Any idea? Two hosts. Malaria. Because the two hosts, one is mosquito, another is human being. Okay? Keep it in mind. Can you name one disease which is transmitted by sharing your pen? By sharing your pen or your textbooks with your friends or drinking cups. You share your pen with your friend, you write, give it to your friend, he will get the disease. Or your textbook. Any idea? Any idea? Common cold. Very, very important. Because we will keep our nose here, we will catch the pen, we will write and give it to him. He will write and he will keep his finger inside his nose. Common cold. Very important MCQ, okay? Very important. Housefly transmits which disease? Housefly. If you know this, you can answer a tough MCQ. Housefly transmits which disease? Housefly. Important MCQ, man. Housefly transmits amoebiasis. amoebiasis. Whenever you think amoebiasis, just think of your housefly, which is available in your home itself. Amoebiasis, housefly. Don't forget to teach this to your mother and your father, so that they will be alert, so that you can remember an MCQ also. Teach this point to your mother, okay? Housefly transmits amoebiasis. So tell her to keep the plates closed after with food, okay? Which is the template in the synthesis of complementary RNA? Template. The synthesis of complementary RNA. It's only one strand of DNA. Same MCQ they have asked. I think you forgot the question. In NEET preparation, many people know the answer. They don't know the question. Question is more important. Template. Read the question. Read the answer. Question is more important. In dash, transcribed mRNA is functional. They'll give bacteria, virus, fungus, parasite, protozoa. What is the answer? In dash, transcribed mRNA is functional. Any idea? Bacteria. Answer is easy, but question you will forget. You will remember bacteria, but you don't know the question. That is how you should prepare for NEET. If you want to keep the question once more. Answer is bacteria. Dash can be directly translated. Yes, directly. That is MCQ. Dash can be directly translated. Any idea? Don't forget the question. Dash can be directly translated. If you want to keep everything in your brain, you have to practice 7 days continuous recall. Introns are coding sequence, true or false? I am sure if you practice 7 days continuous recall for this video, this is a 1 hour video, I am 100% sure you will answer minimum 3 to 5 MCQs in biology. No doubt about that. After 90 MCQs, 3 to 5 MCQs is clean. Here all my video, you will answer all the 90 out of 90 MCQs in biology. I can guarantee you. Introns are coding sequence. Introns are coding sequence. True or false? False statement. Introns. This is the MCQ, man. A fever with chills and rigor. A fever with chills and rigor. Chills with high grade fever. Which disease? Malaria. Malaria. See the question. So coding sequences are for dash. Coding sequence is for dash. Coding sequence is for dash. Exon. Very, very, very important MCQ. Coding sequence for exon. Okay. Exon interrupts introns. True or false? Exon interrupts introns. True or false? No. Introns interrupts exons. How will you remember this? Only 7 days recall technique. No other way. Revision is useless. So this is a correct statement. What you are reading is a correct statement. Can you name a disease which is completely eradicated? Completely eradicated. Now this disease does not exist at all. Because of good vaccination. Completely eradicated disease is smallpox. Just eradicated long time ago. No, sir. Small box. Okay. What is LAB? LAB. Lord Satish, Lord. LAB. Lactic acid bacillus. Lactic acid bacillus. MCQ. LAB. What is LAB? Lactic acid bacillus. Lactic acid bacillus. What is crack? Crack. What is crack? Crack means cocaine. Coke means cocaine. Two names for cocaine. Okay. Crack. CRACK. One more word is coke. COKE. Crack, cocaine. I'm sorry. Coke. Crack, cocaine, coke. Easy to remember. Crack, cocaine, coke. Crack, cocaine, coke. CRACK. Coke is COKE. Crack, cocaine, coke. This is a very important MCQ. Next point. Okay. Opioid receptor. Which place? OPOID. Opioid receptor. Everybody will know one answer. Opioid receptor. They will say central nervous system. CNS. That everybody knows. Opioid receptor is found in the CNS. Central nervous system. Okay. But one more place is, you will not think, GIT, gastrointestinal tract. Because when they don't keep CNS, we will not think of GIT at all. So second, keep GIT important, okay. Gastrointestinal tract. But don't forget the question. Opioid receptors. Okay. So kindly share this great awareness video with your good friends. Okay. Hear my next video also. Stay tuned.